everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Monday. Check it out. I have my Ipsy Plus box here, which clashes terribly with my fall pumpkins in my shirt. I'm also burning salted butterscotch, which I'm going to do in a few minutes. So anyway, Ipsy Plus. I switched to Ipsy Plus from regular Ipsy because it's only $25 and I feel like I get a lot more stuff. I don't do as many beauty boxes as I used to because I felt like I was getting a lot of products I wasn't using, like in Birchbox and Ipsy, the smaller ones, but I love getting the Ipsy Plus. So I'm going to jump right in. First up, we have the, shake this up, Pixie by Petra Glow Mist. I thought this was leaking at first when I got it, but it was actually okay. This is a $15 value. You're supposed to shake it up, mist on your face. It has 13 essential oils in it. Let me see what this smells like. Just curious. It looks like you have to shake it often to keep it mixed. Coco's snorting over here. My dog. My chihuahua. Okay, so I'm going to take the lid off and I'm just going to give myself a little squirt. Ooh, this actually smells really good. I wasn't like expecting that I'd like this. I don't know why. But it's got like a light floral, but it also has, I don't know how to explain, it has argan oil in it. But anyway, it smells really good. It's not a straight on floral and it kind of dissipates. So I'm actually liking this. I may use that. Okay, next up. Touch in Soul, the Pretty Filter Waterfall Glow Cream, $38 value. This is why I like the Ipsy Plus because we get these full size products. Very pretty box. This is, what the heck is this stuff? It's a lightweight cream with hyaluronic acid and hydrogelized collagen to plump and firm. Has a nice smell. Feels nice, not sticky or anything. I may try that. I have to research this a little bit, see if I like it. But like I said, I like that we get these full-size products because if I like a product, I'd rather have a full size that I can use all month than like the little tiny sample. Next up from Huda Beauty. Oh my gosh, I was really excited about this. It's got a big plastic wrap on here. This is the 3D highlighter palette. Uh-oh, we have a 3D highlighter palette error here. I have a broken, oh, this is really kind of weird. Okay, the white, I don't know if you can see on there. Oh, there we go. Is cracked, but it feels kind of like gushy. Like it has some sort of like water damage. That's not like, that doesn't even make sense. That's kind of weird. It could be that this is just, the product is soft. Maybe that's it. Okay, because this is like more of a cream. Okay, so it's pretty. So maybe it's just, I think it's more of a cream. If that's the case, it's fine then. It's more of like a cream to powder. That's kind of interesting. I'll have to email Ipsy and tell them that this was kind of cracked up. But I'm just curious as to what this product actually is. I'll have to look this up. If it's more of a cream or powder, because that's kind of odd that it's squishy. So anyway, I was excited about this. That's okay. I rarely get stuff that's too damaged. This is kind of freaky. Look, it's like a piece of paper with a girl on it. Okay, moving on. What do we have next? Okay, we have the Benefit Cosmetics Benetint Cheek and Lip Stain. And it's kind of weird because they like blocked out the bottom. I know sometimes they do that because they don't want you to return it, but I can't remember ever seeing that on there where they like blacked it out. I have learned over the years what cheek and lip stain is now. I remember the first time I got stained, I'm like, what the heck is this and what do I do with it? So look at this. This is kind of, it's an odd product. I don't know if I'm too old to appreciate lip stain or not, but I'm just going to paint it onto my hand here a little bit. It's supposed to stain your lips and cheeks. I don't know if I love this product. And it's not because it's benefit or if it's this product. I just don't know. I think it's really neat. It's actually a good Halloween product. I'm not sure I love lip and cheek stain as a product, but I will check this out just to see what it's like. It's a legendary it's legendary. I'm having a bad time here. You're supposed to apply 3 small strokes on the apples of your cheek and then blend it out. Dab a drop on your lips um, using your finger. Okay, so I don't know. Someone convinced me that this is an awesome product. I'm just curious if I'm gonna love this. I'm having bad luck this month. I got a cracked up product. Okay, next up from Thrive Cosmetics, not cosmetics, cosmetics. $24 liquid lash extension mascara in Britain. Oh my gosh, this thing is heavy. And this is the heaviest mascara container I think I've ever had in my entire life. Is it like weighted? Oh, nice wand. I always smell mascara and it always smells the same. Holy cow, I've never, I don't think in my life, it's almost like this case is like metal. That's really interesting. So anyway, I will take this because I just need a new mascara. So that's awesome. And then we got a second mascara in here. This must be a bonus product because I'm not seeing this in here. We also got a little tiny Benefit Roller Lash, which this is actually one of my favorite mascaras of all time. I like the way it goes on. I like the way it stays on. I like the way it looks. Get a little curly. I'm smelling it again. Curly wand here. So overall, this is a odd month for me. I've never really had a product that was like that broken before. So I will probably email Ipsy and let them know that this was damaged somehow in shipment because it does kind of look like a neat palette. Or if I don't get around to it, the other shades are perfectly fine. So it's not a big deal, really. Like I can live with it. So that blush is pretty. I really like this. It's called Flush. It's really gorgeous. So anyway, I'll have to look into all this. So overall, I mean, it's a good month for $25. I mean, just this product, I mean, paid for the box. So like I said, I'm never complaining. Although the yellow foamy is kind of fun. How fun is that? It's yellow. So anyway, that is Ipsy for July. I do have a lure that I'm gonna do. I did cancel a lure this month. I'll have that story tomorrow or whenever I do my Allure box. It's nothing against Allure. I love Allure. I'm just kind of like consolidating which beauty boxes that I like the best. So anyway, thank you for watching my Ipsy Bag Plus. Have an awesome Monday. I'll be back in a few minutes because I'm going to do that salted butterscotch candle from Bath and Body Works. So see you in a sec. Bye-bye.